In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay traffic ticket online in Atlanta. Paying your ticket online is quick and helps you avoid lines or phone wait times, and I'll walk you through exactly what to expect so there are no surprises. Start by heading to the official Atlanta Municipal Court website and locating the online payments section. Make sure you're on the real court site, not a third-party bill pay page. A good sign is that the address ends with .gov and the page references the Atlanta Municipal Court. Once you're on the payment portal, you're in the right place to search for your ticket. If you don't see your ticket immediately, don't panic. Atlanta traffic citations can take several business days to be uploaded, and in some cases, it may take up to 7 to 14 days. Weekends and holidays can add a little extra time. If the system can't find your citation yet, give it a few days and try again. Keep an eye on the due date printed on your paper citation so you don't miss it while you're waiting. When your case appears, the portal will prompt you to enter identifying details. Have your citation number ready, along with your last name, date of birth, and your driver's license information. Enter everything exactly as it appears on your ticket. Pay close attention to hyphens, spaces, and any suffixes in your name to avoid a mismatch. If something doesn't pull up, double check the citation number for transposed digits. Next, review the case carefully. The system will display the violation details, the total fine, any court costs, your due date, and whether the ticket is eligible for online payment. Some offenses require a mandatory court appearance and cannot be paid online. If you see that notice, stop here and follow the appearance instructions printed on your citation. If online payment is allowed, confirm you're looking at the correct case by checking your name and birth date. When you're ready to pay, select your payment method. The portal typically accepts Visa, MasterCard, Discover, and most debit cards. A convenience fee may apply, so review the final total before you submit. Make sure your billing address matches your card and click Pay only once. Avoid refreshing the page while it processes. After payment, save your proof. Take a screenshot or print the confirmation page and keep any confirmation email the system sends. Jot down the confirmation number and store it somewhere safe. Hold on to your receipt until you see the case marked as paid in the portal and on your card statement. That's it. Simple, secure, and done from home. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your payment.